Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Utsav & Kala, and this is your crafty host Priyanka. So today I'm just doing a short video on the work in progress for my Diamond Dotz baby tiger roly poly, and it's already been a week. I purchased this last Tuesday. That was I think the 19th or the 19th. I think it was the 19th or the 20th, I'm not sure, one of the two. And I have only gotten done half of it, and I'm exactly at midpoint, and then I have half the tiger left on this side. It has been a really good experience. The drills are really beautiful, and they are really high quality ones. Even the grip is really good for your fingers. So if you don't have a grip on yours, I would highly suggest go to Dollar Tree and get some regular pencil grips. That's really cheap. You get, I think, $20 for $1, and just use it, and that would help your fingers right here. I think that's what I found. It's helping me. So I don't get so much time to do. I do about 10 to 15 minutes a day, not more than that, because I don't know, I'm just always running around like crazy. But yeah, it's either I'm working, or I'm working long hours, or I'm too sleepy, or I'm tired, or I'm taking care of my baby. So it's kind of hard for me, since I've already mentioned like 100 times so that my son doesn't let me do anything when he's awake. I don't know if you guys have kids who are 1.5. Do they let you do it peacefully, or do they play around while you are working on it? Because mine doesn't play by himself. He needs somebody constantly paying some kind of attention on him. So every time when he goes to daycare, most of the time I'm working, so I can't spend a whole day doing diamond painting while he's in daycare, because I'm always working while he is in daycare. And when he's home and I'm home, I usually have him, I can only do it when he's napping. His nap time is like crazy, because he only sleeps like 15 minutes when he's home, which is kind of weird because he never sleeps that much. He's that one kid that never sleeps. Even at night he doesn't sleep early. So I'm just wondering what's wrong with him. But yeah, this painting, I'm drifting from the topic, guys, but this painting has been immense joy and relaxation, and it's really easy to follow. And yeah, this is what I have gotten done yet. And once I'm done with this painting, I'll do a short tutorial again, short video again on how it looks. And that would be my first diamond painting to be completed, apart from the ones that I make by myself, like draw, paint, and do the diamond painting on it myself. That one I have completed a lot of them, but this one would be my first diamond painting kit that I have completed. If you want to see how I see the ones that I made myself, I'll have a link in the description below for you guys to watch. And I have an unboxing video for this Diamond Dotz diamond painting kit, and I will also have the link of that video in the description for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Comment in the comment sections for me if you have done any Diamond Dotz diamond painting kit, and how was your experience with it. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Bye. Love you all.